Idiom, bend it like Beckham. In soccer, certain skilled players can kick the ball so that it curves or bends instead of going on a straight path. Defenders can rarely block these shots because the ball zigs when they expect it to zag. This kind of kick often results in a goal. Who wouldn't want to have a skill like that? Soccer superstar David Beckham was known for his ability to bend his kicks, leading players all around the world to try to learn his technique. If they could bend it like Beckham, maybe they could be superstars too. David Beckham takes a free kick during a soccer game, and this is a famous soccer player. Track running. No one knows when the first foot race took place, but at some point the idea of running competitions took hold. Track running was the only event in the first Olympic Games held in Greece in 776 BC. At that time, only males could compete. Today, modern track events are for everyone. Races at outdoor tracks cover distances between 100 and 10,000 meters. Relay races involve teams of 4 runners. Each team member carries a baton for a distance and then passes it to the next runner. And here you can see how they are running, and they each have to stay in their own lane. So it's kind of like how a car drives between the 2 lines. These runners stay between their 2 lines. Let's practice some homophones. Let's review. Remember, a homophone is a word that is pronounced the same as another word but has a different meaning and spelling. So we have rose and rose, one and one, there, there, whole, whole, piece, piece. Here are some more homophones. These, boys and girls, if you notice, are spelled differently but are pronounced the same. So we have lesson and lesson. Like this lesson would be a skill or a assignment that maybe the teacher is going to teach you. This lesson means to make less of something. Here we have nose, like what's on our face, where we smell. And then knows means you gain or know the information. These are all homophones that we will continue to practice throughout the week.